Guys, so today I'm going to show you this box that I got in the mail. It's from a site called Mom's Meat. It's kind of where like a bunch of crunchy mamas, I don't know if you know what that means, but crunchy moms are like organic, baby wearing, breastfeeding, like that type of deal, like homemade baby foods, you know, all of that, like super natural. So I got a box from there because I'm a part of that, and so I'm going to show you what's in the box today. It's pretty cool, pretty excited about it. So let's see. So it's a product called Toddler Mum Mums. It comes with sweet potato and pomegranate. They are organic rice biscuits. They are gluten-free, organic, non-GMO, project verified, and made with simple ingredients. So let's see. The ingredients, pretty basic. Seems healthy. So there's the pomegranate one, and then the mango and kiwi, which sounds pretty good too. And then I got a water bottle. This is kind of like a gift just for me, because this is for like a group home party type thing. So they always give the host like a special little gift. So there's like a little water bottle in there. Coupons. And these are for $1 off a box, which retail at $3.29. So that's pretty good. And then a gigantic bag of the mango and kiwi ones, and also a giant bag of the sweet potato pomegranate one. So yeah, a lot of stuff in that box. This is one of my son's toys. I don't know how that ended up in there. So I gave one of each to my son, who is 4. First I gave him the mango and kiwi, which he said he did not like, and he was very clear about the fact that he did not like them. And so then I gave him a sweet potato and pomegranate one, and he loved it. So that's a win. So it seems like they taste pretty good. On the box it says it's for ages 2 and up. But I did give my baby a little, because I mean, I tasted it because, I mean, of course, and I thought it was okay. And they melt like really easily in your mouth. So I just kind of gave my baby a little taste of it. He's about a year old. So he seemed to like it, but he's really not picky. And one of the things that they advertise in their description is that they're for busy parents on the go. They're individually wrapped, so you can just grab a bunch of them, throw them in your diaper bag, and then, you know, if your kid's like, oh, I'm hungry, you can just give them one. And then you don't have to feel bad about giving them a snack because it's organic and all that good stuff. They have other flavors besides the sweet potato and pomegranate and the mango and kiwi. They also have a strawberry. So that might be good. They also have these little games on the back of the boxes for kids. On this box, it's cross out the things that don't come from a farm. So as you can see, obviously pizza, candy, that sort of thing, that doesn't come from a farm. So it's kind of like a fun little game your toddler can play on there. And then the other box is cut out the pictures and fill in the blanks, what column, you know, should contain each thing, kind of like a pattern type thing. So that's fun too. So I'm wondering how many other type of games there are. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. And I'll let you know how the other kids like them too. But again, you can get these for $3.29. They say to go to their website at mummums.com/buy-now-store.html. So you can go there and find a store near you that sells these. And then let me know in the comments if you like them, if your kid tries them and they like them. Thanks for watching, guys.